Hello and welcome back to another episode of Two Axles, where I bring you some crazy stuff and things that you would have never thought of. So if you want to watch me use this to remove scratches off my tank on my Harley, stay tuned. Right guys, thank you very much for joining back. I'm going to attempt today to polish this tank. Can you see all the swirl marks, etc., using toothpaste and my drill and some mini buffers. Can it be done? Of course it can. This is Two Axles. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is I've took the cap off the fuel tank. I'm just going to cover this up and then we'll get to it. Right, you might be sat there thinking, this guy's lost his mind, this guy's crazy. I'm telling you something now, I am not crazy. I'm going to show you how your household item can get rid of your swirl marks. So I'm using this Colgate Triple Action to get rid of those swirl marks. I'm only joking. It doesn't matter which toothpaste you used. This is exactly the same as using a compound. Now to do it, we're going to use a mini pad, a drill piece, and my drill. These pads you can pick them up at Amazon. A set of pads for about tenner. You get about 6, 7, 8 pads and some cotton wool buffers. So you stick this on there, put a little bit of toothpaste on, and then you work it into the tank, work it into the tank, work it into the tank. And I can guarantee you this toothpaste is going to make my tank shine as best as it can. Right, let's get to that and I'll show you how to do it. Right, when you're using the drill, you need to make sure that you have it on a slow setting to start off with. But I'm just going to keep it on my own setting because I can control it quite well. Put a bit of toothpaste on here. Blob, 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 blob. No, I haven't gone mad on a Sunday. I'm showing you can use this with a £1.50 tub of toothpaste. So what I'll do, I rub it into the tank first. Rub it like this. And it's going to smell nice as well. And we just need to work in the tank. Just keep working it. Slowly does it. And build the speed up. Just go around slowly. Right, let's get some cloth and see if these swirl marks are coming out. As you can see, they're starting to come out. Right, I'm going to just put on a time lapse now, and then I'll do the full tank, and then we'll polish it up and see what the end result is. Right peeps, so we've colgated the tank with the pink pad, and then I've gone over it with the blue pad. Now, it's going to wipe off the excess residue now, and then the next stage is we're going to polish it and then see if the Colgate has made this tank brighter. You might have to go over it a couple of times with the polish, and there's bloody toothpaste all over now. I think I need to use that drill to brush the kids' teeth with. Right, let's get bloody all over. Let's get it off. Right, so just gonna go and get some wax and then we'll wax it up. There's no specific wax you need to use, I just use turtle wax. Right, let me just go and get that. Okay, so I'm going to use this triple wax car polish. I've had this for probably about 8 years. Okay, that might be an exaggeration. For about 3 or 4 years I've had this, and it's alright. Wax is wax, isn't it? Right, so it's going to rub the wax on and get it in there, wipe it off, wipe it on, wipe it off, We'll do about 2 or 3 coats of wax, and then I'll buff it out with the buffing machine, and then we'll see if this Colgate transformed the tank. Right, so like I said, we're just going to dab it on here. Just get it in there, because initially it's just going to lift off whatever toothpaste is on there. Just get it in there, get it all over the tank. So the first one, we're going to just wipe it off with we'll just buff it off with the cloth, and then I'm going to use the wool pad to do the final buff, and then we'll see if I've just saved this tank from years of neglect, because I don't think it's been polished at all, to be honest with you. And it's an old bike, isn't it? So you're going to get that swirl marks, etc., and people don't wash the stuff properly. Right, so we'll just buff it off with this microfiber, and then, like I said, we'll go over it again, and then we'll buff it off with the wool attachment to the drill. £10 Amazon, full set. Right, let's get this buffed off. And plus we'll be able to see if I need to go over it again. I'm not expecting miracles, but I'm expecting it to be better. Well, hopefully anyway. I'm just going to get that buffed out, and then we'll get the second coat on, and then I'll be right back with you when we doing the wool polish. Right, peeps, so we're going to get the wax on again. So I've taken the first lot of wax off. I have to wax this about 2 or 3 times to get our Colgate off. So we're going to wax it again. And as Mr. Miyagi once said, always wax in circle motions, it gives you the better finish. On now. So what I'm going to do, because the second time I'm doing it, now we'll start using the wool pad to start taking it off now with a bit more high speed. So let's crack that. Looking fantastic, guys. I was going to do all this with the machine. Right, peeps, so question is, what's the difference on the tank using Colgate? Let's take a look. Wow, look at that. That looks amazing, doesn't it? Fuck me. Remember the title of this channel? 2 axles. I use the stuff, and if it's good, I'll recommend it. But look at that, look at the difference from what it was before. Fantastic. Wow, Super impressed with that. So what do you think? Colgate, the one to have to make things shine. Just have a look again. Look at the shine on that. You can see the blue hexagon lights in it. It's shiny so much. So Colgate, bit of elbow grease, 15 minutes, and what a difference. What a difference. What a difference, you guys. Check that out. That is next level. Right guys, I thought I'd bring you this update, show you how to clean your tank with some Colgate toothpaste. If you want to see more on this channel, just like and subscribe. That's the only thing I gotta say is like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Please comment below what kind of bike you want to see me source next. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you again.